Hey, what is up, guys? So this is the next video in the series. Yeah, things are progressing pretty well. We have 462 attendees, and again, all of this without using any ads or anything like this. And I believe yesterday when I checked, it was 305. So that's quite a lot of people, like 150 new, 157, I'll say, more attendees in 24 hours. All of this without actually running ads or doing anything. So it doesn't cost me a dime to get these people. So one thing that I don't know for sure, but I suspect is that at some point this thing is going to accelerate, because once you have enough people, you might start seeing the event pop here, and people bring people. So at some point, a lot of folks are going to say, hey, that event looks pretty popular. Why don't I go and check it out? And this thing will start blowing up. Okay, so it's very, very cool. This is day 5 of the case study, and so far, so what time is it? It's like, okay, so about 1 p.m. And I still haven't performed the task for today, so I'm actually going to do it. And yeah, we're gonna see how far we can take this stuff, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's very, very quick video. Really excited to see, how many people we can actually get. And I mean, this thing is just working. It works like gangbusters, okay? That is pretty much it. See you tomorrow for the next video. Bye-bye.